Hey guys, Dr. Butts coming with another fantastic video, and today I'm going to tell you all about how to access Blackboard Collaborate recordings. We've done it in class. You've seen me do it. You've seen me hit record. How do you access those videos? I want to watch the class again. I want to go over a problem again. How do I watch those videos, Dr. Butts? And here's how you do it. First of all, here's our landing page for one of my classes. This is 1045 Lab, Gen Chem 1 Lab. So how do you access the recordings for Blackboard Collaborate? Very, very simple. First of all, access Blackboard Collaborate in the normal way. Click on Communication, Blackboard Collaborate, or BB Collaborate. Brings you into the lab session. There you go. So now we're in the normal page that you would see when you enter Blackboard Collaborate. So how do I get the videos? Very, very simple. Find the hamburger menu, which is up here at the top left-hand corner of your screen. I've zoomed in quite close on my screen, so it's right here. Click on that, and it should bring in a sidebar menu, as you see here, and then you'll see Recordings. Click on Recordings, and there you go. There are the two sessions that we've recorded so far for this class. And the nice thing is, if we go to the right here, if we scroll to the right, there you go. You can see the dates that they were recorded at, dates and times. So if you don't know exactly what recording session it is, just look for the date of your class that you're interested in, and it'll be right there. All right, guys, so that's how you access recordings. And then just simply click the link. Let me just show you real quick. Click on the link. It'll say watch now, and of course, yes, we want to watch it now real quick. And it'll pop up in a new window, and it'll play the video. All right, guys, and that is how you watch Blackboard Collaborate recordings on your computer. Hope that was helpful. If there's any questions about any other videos I can make for you guys, please let me know. I have no problem making them, and I'll see you in class. And with that, I want to wish you all good luck and good chemistry.